Samsung is poised to shake up the smartphone world once again with its latest innovation. After much anticipation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra has been officially confirmed and is set to hit the shelves this summer. What makes this device special? For starters, Samsung has never introduced an Ultra model in its Fold series until now. Following the success of their Ultra smartphones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is taking things up a notch. While official specs are still under wraps, rumors suggest the Z Fold 6 Ultra will feature a powerful triple camera system with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Additionally, the Z Fold 6 Ultra is expected to be thinner and lighter, with speculation about the inclusion of a built-in stylus slot for the S Pen, promising to take productivity and creativity to new heights. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, this device promises unparalleled performance and efficiency. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting release. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is the real deal, and it's coming sooner than you think. Stay tuned for more updates.